In this video, I'll be going over questions you should typically ask when looking for a 3D printer. My name is Logan Dohar. I'm a 3D application specialist at Objects Unlimited. One of the big mistakes I found new clients face when they're delving into the 3D printing world or getting a new printer is overall cost. Of course, we want all our investments to be the lowest cost option possible. However, if you get a lowest cost printer, it may not fit your application suitably well. One of the other mistakes I found that our clients face when they get a new printer, no matter the application, is that it's one thing to own it, it's another thing to know how to operate it and use it to create effective parts. Regarding budget, research is important. It highly depends on what you're looking to print in the end, as there are higher end printers or lower end printers. And also there's many different printing technologies out there. There's FDM, there's resin, powder, wax, just to name a few. You can go for the higher end printer if you're looking for something very precise, but sometimes your applications work just enough for a basic printer. Again, it really depends on your application. Another topic I discuss with clients is the environment that the parts are used in. And this leads to material properties. There are varying materials out there that have their own physical, chemical, and environmental properties to them. And once again, research plays a part in terms of deciding what material best suits your application. A few material properties I typically discuss with clients range from biocompatibility, UV light resistance, heat resistance, and tensile strength. Size is probably one of the most important aspects when deciding what printer to purchase. Essentially, the largest part you're looking to print should dictate the size of the printer and print bed area. Typically, when I've dealt with oversized parts though, not necessarily you should buy an oversized printer, you can typically separate the parts into sections and then reassemble them later after they're printed. The level of detail you'd be looking for in a printer you're looking to purchase should be determined by the parts you're trying to print and its application. Typically with lower grade printers, while it can print pretty good parts, typically you'll be dealing with more manual labor or sanding afterwards to finish a piece, compared to higher grade printers which can print pretty high precision pieces, which require minimal to less amount of manual post-processing. One other aspect people may not know much about is full color 3D printing. As it is, you can fairly easily paint on regular printed models as is, but there's new technologies, and some have been around for a while, you can print full color, and some we have here at Objects, such as this gypsum print full color dog here, and as well as our UV ink Mamaki Dorito. It's pink, as you can see. That's just a couple, name a few technologies that exist around the world. It is important to ask questions and ask for advice from people with experience as well as experts in the 3D printing world. At Objects, we've had years of experience in varying 3D printing technologies. You're more than welcome to ask questions and seek advice from us. One phone call could save hours of research and thousands of dollars.